A wise person once said, sitting down for dinner not only helps you learn, it also teaches you how to listen. Dinner tables all over Iowa are occupied by families and friends learning about each other's school days, work days, challenges, and dreams. But sometimes, inquiring about the food on the dinner table can lead to a deeper understanding of family roots. At Dawn Martinez Oropeza's house in Des Moines, it's a special enchilada recipe from her ancestors that brings the family together.
This is my grandma Agustina's recipe, and the reason why ours are very different than they were in Mexico is because she had 9 kids, and my Uncle Albert, who's out here, is one of those kids, and so she used what she could get. They weren't rich, and so she would add the potatoes and the carrots and the peas and to fill it, and then she would get government cheese. So that's our secret ingredient is I use Velveeta now because you can't get government cheese, but that's the secret ingredient. So these are very special and unique to Iowa and to our family. So
it's a family activity to assemble Grandma Augustina's enchiladas. And just like any other family recipe, there are individualized ingredient tweaks or presentation styles that make the recipe unique to the cook.
The ingredients basically is the same, but each family makes them a little bit different.
fold in so that the stuffing doesn't come out. Fold in.
Did you get onion?
And then you start rolling it.
How often do you make enchiladas?
Oh, well, maybe like once every few months.
And you'll help?
No, you don't.
No, well, I
he
didn't.
never makes them. I've helped
We eat them
more than
once
him.
every few months, but yeah,
Do you know how to make enchiladas?
I do.
kind of.
He doesn't.
Not as much. No.
Is this how you would make enchiladas?
No, it's totally the opposite of everything. My enchiladas don't include any meat or really any filling, and they're not even rolled up. So they're completely different.
And why is your recipe so much different than the way Dawn's family does it?
I think it's because we're from a different part of Mexico. I'm from the northern region, whereas they're from central south region.
We want our children to preserve our customs and to know different foods. Like any family would like to have that recipe passed on, and
Sure.
you may not make it exactly like they made it, but at least you're trying.
Gathering the family together at the dinner table does indeed satisfy a daily need for food, but sometimes it's the origin stories of the food that can be even more fulfilling.